Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my copper saucepan. So with the use of a regular table salt or sea salt, you're just going to want to coat your pan. Don't be stingy. And then you leave it on for like 15 to 30 seconds. After 15 to 30 seconds, you're gonna wanna spray vinegar on top. And like you're gonna notice right away that there will be a change of color in the pan. So just spray evenly in the corners. You can even do on the sides too, but since our focus is the bottom of the pan for now, I'm just gonna spray on top. And then you're gonna want to put more salt. Then you leave it on for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scrub. Just to show you guys the difference between the one that I just scrubbed and a regularly washed copper pan or copper saucepan with soap and water. The one on the left has some stains on it, and the one on the right is slowly going back to its original color. So I hope this video has helped you, and I hope to see you guys next time on my next video. Have a good day.